Hello friends, hope you all are fine and great. So after so long I start to speaking something with me because due to some circumstances I didn't upload video in regular form, but see, this is my 9th day. It's not 9th day. It is a practice day where I'm improving my communication skill. I know you are thinking she does not knowing anything. So just chill. I'm practice. I know in future I will become a perfect speaker in English. Let's see what will happen, but I'm trying. I'm not a fluencer, but yes, I become a fluencer. But that's why I'm here to doing practice. Yes, I'm doing so many mistake, but let it be. Another thing is this. Right now is 11 o'clock of the morning and I did everything. I fresh, I read, I write and I read my English. Then after I start to communicate with you with recording the video. So if you want like how I'm doing practice of English, you want to I upload video in regular form of the daily schedule like daily blog. So you comment me dil mange more, then I will try to that thing for you because I'm doing practice, but I have no time for like recording in this form. If you are want, then obviously I will try, then maybe it will be more helpful for you. So I want your want what you want. Sometimes I feel nervous in outside of the area if any influencer speaking with me in English. So this is the normal. Sometimes my breathing is automatically high, I don't know why. I This is also a normal thing. So from practice onward you will be correct this kind of challenges. I know this is a challenges thing. If you are doing practice something, sometime you will be shy and then you feel more or less confidence to showing your capability to any in behind the any influencer side. I'm doing practice in what I want to speak. I know this is the casual talk, but I don't know what I'm speaking in here. I'm just speaking. I'm just speaking. Why? Because I want to improving my communication skill. I have recorded my these kind of videos. This is my topic. This is the enough for the day. I think so. You are thinking in this video I'm nothing to use any useful topic. I want to ask you something. What want you? What kind of video you want? Like what kind of video is useful for you? So which kind of topic I made and how I made, like you share with me in the comment box, and then I will try to make a video on that kind of form. So this is the end of the video. In this video I'm sharing with you what I'm speaking in daily ways, and this is the day 9, but after so long I start to speaking to be kind. Due to some reason I didn't online, I didn't like active on YouTube, but yes, now I'm active regular. I know I'm not speaking perfect, but I'm doing practice in here. So thanks for watching this video. Okay, we'll be meet in next video. Bye.